This road now looks like a quagmire, but it is the main road, forcing brave drivers to cross it despite all dangers. The cars pass like warriors, conquering each stretch of road as a new challenge, deepening the perseverance and determination of drivers on this difficult road. In the difficult environment of trails full of obstacles and traps, logging trucks constantly work hard day and night. Sometimes, trucks, heavy with tons of wood, can encounter problems on the road, especially when the vehicle breaks down in the middle of the road. Rescuing the oversized truck that was off the road was a huge challenge due to the truck's size and weight. Assistance from a crane was an important means of pulling this truck out of there. I really respect the drivers who drive these oversized trucks that transport long and wide heavy equipment. This requires the driver to have extremely good vehicle control skills, and to predict and handle difficult situations. Challenging roads like this often appear on the journeys of long-distance drivers and professional drivers. For such situations, drivers need to properly assess the situation and use their driving skills to navigate these challenging roads safely and effectively.
Rapaz, qual é que não vai?
I can't believe he made it.
Falei, você vai voltar e ela vai estar dois não. Vai voltar tudo.
The driver's way of transporting wood from the hills is extremely creative, but danger always threatens them. I've never seen a truck pull that many trailers before. What a formidable load to transport. On bad roads like these, the possibility of giant trucks getting stuck is very high. Video records the scene of a driver carrying heavy timber using skillful skills to smoothly handle situations when going downhill. The driver and his giant truck are traveling on a remote road filled with difficult challenges on this bogged-down road. This bogged road often changes conditions, from muddy to areas full of obstacles, causing the truck to get stuck there. Even though there was support from a tow truck, it seemed like the truck was still standing still and could not move because the amount of mud stuck to the wheels was too tight. Two powerful tow trucks are working together to pull the truck out of the extremely bad road, creating a very impressive picture. We can feel the sharing and support between drivers, trailers and trucks, as they work together to overcome rocky, muddy obstacles.
Wait.
Tractors lined up, concentrating their efforts to pull the truck stuck in the muddy area, showing solidarity and cooperation in overcoming difficulties.
Hey!
This is a special type of truck with a structure towing 2 or more trailers capable of carrying large weight goods that is very popular in Brazil. The rough dirt road got this articulated truck stuck, and the driver was trying hard to use his skills to get out of it. A significant challenge as the large tonnage crane had to overcome steep slopes and zigzag terrain to reach the Ronder mine site. Due to its large size and weight, it has difficulty overcoming the slope there and requires support from a tow truck. After a lot of time and the excellent skills of the operator, he successfully brought the crane truck up the slope safely.